Khushbu and he is my colleague Shivam. So today we are going to play a very good role. We are going to play the two best friends role. So I'm going to play the role of Kia and he's going to play the role of Rihan. So this is the role play activity in English that we will show you that the two best friends are going to visit in a restaurant, and now what's going on after that you will see in the video.
So in calling. So let me call Kia. धूम मचाले धूम तनन नन धूम मचाले धूम.
Hello.
Oh shamefully.
Excuse me, who are you?
Oh shamefully.
Abhi tu?
What's
How?
up?
I'm absolutely fine. How are you, Dumbo?
Oh, what are you saying?
Excuse me, I'm telling perfectly, okay? You are absolutely Dumbo for me.
Oh please let it be.
Okay.
So I'm also fine.
Okay, that's great. So where were you from a long time? Like, seriously.
As you know that we are in different college.
Yeah.
So I decided that tomorrow is Sunday.
Yeah.
So we will meet out tomorrow.
I really want to go with you, Rihan, but there's a problem actually. My exams are coming and I have to prepare for it, so I cannot go with you. Sorry.
Please shut up. I know how much you study.
Oh, hello.
You study before one day of exam.
Hello. Don't forget about that. That in 12th I got 95% and you got only 45%.
With
Okay,
the
don't
help
forget.
of cheating.
Oh, excuse me. That was not cheating. Okay, that was like my hard
Okay,
work.
let it be. I decided to meet out tomorrow. So, in which place?
Okay. Like Bravin restaurant.
No.
Why?
No.
That is such a very beautiful and like it is literally normal. for
Okay,
us.
fine. You are irritated, girl. Okay, fine.
Okay, so
At
we
2
are
PM.
going to meet tomorrow, right?
Okay,
At
fine.
maybe 2 p.m.
Okay, fine.
Okay, it's final now. Then
Okay.
please.
Bye.
Okay,
See you.
okay. Bye bye. See you.
So, at next day, we will meet out at Berlin restaurant. Hello, OMG. You are told up. You are ready for me.
Oh, absolutely not, Jumbo. I'm going to like ready for you. Oh.
Yes.
Who's
I'm the
saying?
man.
Okay. Then how are you? I'm literally meeting you after a long
I'm
time.
also surprised to see you. I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good too.
So I'm so hungry. Let's go.
Okay. Like I'm foodie. Then why are you hungry?
I'm hungry because I can't eat more than you.
Oh, okay. Then
So in restaurant,
Yeah.
we order. Okay then.
please come. Please sit first.
Okay. Oh.
Hmm.
ये manners कहाँ से सीखी?
Excuse me. पहले से ही है.
Oh, I told you later.
Hmm.
Okay. Let you order.
No, you first order.
Oh, ladies first.
Okay, as you wish. So, so we are going to order dim sum.
Dim sum? What is this?
It's not dum sum Dumbo, it's dim sum.
जैसी है वैसे ही लगना. Okay. What is this dim sum? Dim sum, sorry.
Dim sum is like momos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shut up, please. I can't eat momos.
No, we are going to eat.
No.
We are going
Tell
to
another
eat.
item.
No, absolutely.
Please.
We are going to eat it.
Please.
We are going to eat it.
No.
I'm not asking you, I'm telling you we are going to eat
Okay,
momos.
please. Waiter are looking
Yeah.
at us.
Okay.
Don't act as a kid, as we are in university college. So be adult.
Okay. So we are going to order dim sum, noodles, and tandoori momos. Yeah.
I can't eat all these things. Noodles, dim sum. Oh please, let me order.
This is too much now.
Let
this
me
is
order.
too much.
You got
now.
a chance now? Then
No,
I will also get.
but we are going to order momos.
Okay,
Okay. do
maybe
it.
dim
Do it.
sum.
Okay.
Then क्या बोल रही? Okay then. Spring roll. Noodles.
Oh, hello, please. Spring roll. What is that? No, I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to eat it.
Malai chap.
No, absolutely.
Paneer
Cheap. Oh my God. No.
Waiter, malai chap paneer.
No, we are not eating it. Please give us 2 minutes, please.
Okay
No.
then fine.
Yeah.
We are looking awkward. Then okay, we will. Two items your.
Okay.
Two items.
Okay.
Order.
So
Please order not dim sum, whatever it is.
I'm going to order dim sum and you are not going to stop me, okay? So dim sum and noodles.
Okay. Don't interrupt me. Okay now.
Oh, okay.
As I know you don't like spring roll, then I will order spring roll.
This is too much.
Spring roll.
I'll
and
kill you for
paneer
that.
tikka. So waiter,
Do whatever you
please order us order paneer tikka, spring roll, whatever, whatever dim,
Dim sum.
momos, and one more thing is noodles.
Yeah.
Such
Very
a
hungry. Like.
Sir, here's your order.
Oh my God.
take your dim sum firstly.
Okay.
Can't see this.
Okay.
Take this.
Look. What's that? Spring roll cheese.
Yes.
Okay.
It's look nice.
Absolutely not.
Better than dim sum.
Oh, hello.
What is this?
Please.
Waiter,
Yes,
can you
sir.
bring me one cold drink?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Don't bring
even
for
even
him.
didn't you ask me?
Okay. Who are you?
Here's your phone,
Everything.
sir.
Thank you. So
And what about me?
who are you?
Here's your drink, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, my food is finished. Oh, foodie, fast.
Excuse me.
पूरी रात नहीं निकालनी है यहाँ पर.
अब तू तो खाया नहीं इतने दिनों से मेरे को ही खाने दे. चल, I have done.
Finally,
Okay.
you
So,
have eaten 4 plates of ye. What is dim sum?
What about that? My choice. I can eat
4
whatever I
full
want.
plates. You are a girl and you eat 4 full plates.
So what? You are that kind of person who always judge a girl by their food.
Oh please.
Stop it.
Oh, please.
Stop it now.
I'm only judging
Okay,
you.
stop it.
Waiter.
Now it's time to bill. So waiter, please. Bill, please.
Here's your bill, ma'am, and sir.
How much it is?
840.
So what is the problem?
That's not mine.
Oh, girls first.
Excuse me.
Ladies first.
Oh.
Do you remember?
Oh.
I said in beginning that ladies first.
Do you forget about manhood?
No,
Excuse
seriously.
me, ma'am and sir. Who's gonna pay?
Please give us 2 minutes,
Two.
please.
Okay,
dumb,
fine.
I will
Okay,
pay.
fine. Fine, ma'am.
Go.
So please order.
Please, I don't have money.
Okay, fine. Let me check.
How jumbo, like. Oh my god.
Oh, sorry. I'm seriously saying that I'm forgot my.
I even don't have any money.
Don't kidding.
Are you kidding
I
with
beg
me?
you.
No.
Don't kidding.
I don't have any money.
Waiters.
Please give us 5 minutes only, please.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
don't have money. What are we going to do now?
What are you doing? Waiter, I'm looking at items.
Okay.
You are a literally irritating girl.
What the hell
Please
you
order.
just did?
Please.
किसके साथ आ गई मैं यार?
So, ma'am and sir, किसको बर्तन धोना and पोछा लगाना आता है?
He is very good in all these things. I
Okay.
have a meeting and I have a coaching, so I have to go. You please do this.
So, आप करने वाले पोछा लगाना
Please
है?
give us 2 minutes. Please give us 2
Okay.
minutes.
Yes.
Yeah. तेरे पास जब पैसे नहीं थे तो क्यों आया?
तो मुझे लगा तू ज्यादा महान बनती है इसलिए आया था.
तो बोलना चाहिए था ना कि पैसे नहीं लेकर आएगा, idiot.
ओ हेलो. तेरी वजह से ही पैसे नहीं लाए क्योंकि मुझे पता था तू 4 से 5 प्लेट खाने वाली है, मेरा पूरा पर्स खाली कर देगी इसलिए जान.
Which kind of like
I forgot my
which kind of animal you are?
wallet.
What are we
Oh,
going to do
please,
now?
please call your friend and make
I'm
online
not
payment.
going to come again with you and like a jumbo, seriously.
Okay, don't get in. Don't waste time, please. Call your
Please
friend.
wait, please wait. I have to do something. Like ऐसे लोग ने लग गए तो पता नहीं क्या होगा.
Now I will not come with you next time. Got it?
I'm not also going to come with you, okay?
Please be in call.
Oh. Yeah, Priya, I just need a one help. Actually, we are in the restaurant and I just want 1,000 rupees. Please. Yeah, I will definitely. Yeah, I will definitely. Yeah, I will definitely give you tomorrow. Yeah, perfectly. Yeah. Please. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Excuse me, waiter. Scanner, please.
Yeah. Here's your scanner, ma'am.
मेरी तरफ से इसके पास तो कुछ नहीं था.
Oh,
हाँ
please.
देखने में लग रहा था गरीब है, क्या कर सकते हैं.
Water? What is this?
प्लीज सर ये ट्रूथ है. सॉरी सर,
Yeah.
सॉरी बट we are family.
Right, right.
I know you are both are
Okay.
girls.
Okay. Excuse me.
Match up
I'm
and you
not
will-
going to come with you again.
I'm very excited. Oh, let's go again. Oh, please. Go ahead. I'm not talking to you.
पानी कहाँ से मिल जाते हैं सीरियसली.